Hello friends, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher. Did you know that most addictions are plant-based? Think about it. Let's talk about each of the addictions. Let's talk about smoking or vaping or chewing or dipping or however you get your nicotine. Nicotine is a chemical. Where is that chemical's base or root found? It's found in the tobacco plant. That's a plant. Nicotine is a plant-based addiction, and it's a chemical. Let's go to coffee. Many people drink coffee. I used to drink coffee. Okay, I don't drink it anymore. Took myself off of that. But caffeine is addictive because when you stop caffeine, if you're used to having it, and you don't have it for a couple days, you get a caffeine headache because you have vasodilation and it hurts your brain. That's what you have. What is coffee? Coffee comes from a bean. The bean is the seed or the nut of the coffee tree, right? And that's a plant. So that's a plant-based addiction, caffeine. Chocolate has theobromine and caffeine, and it's a cacao bean. It's from a plant. Is chocolate addictive? Has caffeine and theobromine, but I don't know how. I mean, these are levels and degrees of addictions, right? Opium, opioids, heroin, all the forms that come from the opium plant that they've derived is a flower. It's a beautiful flower. The poppy flower with the poppy seeds that they extract the oil to make the opium, to make the heroin and all that stuff. That's a plant-based addiction. Sugar is very addictive. It is. It lights up the brain more than cocaine, which is also from the coca leaf. That's a plant. Cocaine is addictive. Sugar cane comes from either the beet, sugar beet, or the cane. It looks like bamboo. That's a plant. Both of them are plants. They're addictive. Name an addiction that comes from a chemical. None of them come from animal products, folks. They all come from plants. Now, plants can be wonderful. We get most of our medicines, some of those things I mentioned are medicines, from plants. And when used appropriately, responsibly, properly for a person as a medicine to help a symptom or cure something, plants can be used in a wonderful way. But plants can also be addictive. Plants have chemicals that make us depend on them, getting more of them to make us feel that way. Animal products don't do that. Beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs, you don't get a chemical addiction to those. There's nothing in there that makes you say, if I don't get this, I'm going to go through withdrawal symptoms. Isn't that interesting? So I'm not going to say all, because you're not supposed to say all, but almost all addictive substances and addictions are plant-based. Except for the psychological ones like gambling and sex addiction and things like that. Those are different kinds of addictions. So I wanted to share that with you. I had a little aha moment in somebody's video, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I passed it on to you. So eat animal products. Stay away from plants. And have a good day.